Everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have two exciting opportunities to share with you, both from Samadhan, a reputable company with openings in Ranchi and Mumbai. If you have experience in Microsoft Dynamics, so these roles might be perfect for you. Let's dive into the details. So before we proceed, I would like to tell you that please subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed it, and you can join as a member. So members will be seeing these job updates immediately. This is like this two updates are one day, like they have posted, the company has posted one day before, so they'll be seeing these things immediately. And the subscribers and viewers will be can see this after 3 or 4 days. Okay, so you can join here. Okay, and this is the playlist where you can find about the opportunities. If you want to learn business central, so I have lot of playlist for you. This is for al programming, and this is for mba 20. If you are preparing for mba 20, this is for mba 20 exam preparation. Okay, and if you scroll down, you can see this is for my mbc functional consultant, and this is business central interview question, and for this is for technical. Okay, I have 41 days boot camp for functional consultant as well. So you can, if you click on any video, you can find a lot of the details here in the description, so please go and watch that. So let us see the very first thing, which is okay. The first job title is what Microsoft Dynamics 365 Finance Functional Consultant, and it is offered by Samadhan. Okay, so it's based on Ranchi. Let's take a closer look at what this role entails. So, as a Microsoft Dynamics functional consultant, your primary responsibility will be to ensure the successful implementation and support of Dynamics 365 Finance module. You will work closely with the clients to understand their business process, identify their needs, and configure the system to meet those requirements. So here you they want 1 to 5 years experience. Okay, even if you are a new, you want to enter into Dynamics 365, you can find the boot camp here, 41 days boot camp, which is like basic understanding about a function business central. You can learn it from here, and you can definitely apply for this. If you have that knowledge to crack the interview with these topics, then you can definitely go ahead with that. Okay, so the very basic requirements for any of these things is what. First one, you have to gather the requirement. So you have to collaborate with the client to gather and document their business requirements, understanding the financial process, and identifying areas where Dynamics 365 finance can add value. Next one is system configuration. So you have to configure and customize Dynamics 365 Finance to align with client needs, setting up financial modules, workflow, and reports. And third one is the training and support. Provide training to end users and offer ongoing support to ensure they can maximize the system's benefit. Fourth one is testing and validation, to conduct thorough testing to ensure the system meets the client's requirement and function seamlessly. And the fifth one is documentation. So maintain detailed documentation of the implemented solution, configuration, and the customization. So these are the key responsibilities of any functional consultant. Okay, and then to be a successful role in this, like to be successful in this particular role, you should have at least 1 to 5 years experience, and you should have functional knowledge, like strong understanding of financial process, accounts payable, like accounts receivable, what is a general ledger, budgeting, and financial reporting. You should have a technical skill proficiency in configuring and customizing Dynamics 365 Business Central, excellent communication and interpersonal skill, and strong analytical and problem solving abilities. So these are the things which you should think about it. Okay, so this is the first opportunity. And the second opportunity is what for the technical consultant by the same company. You can see they have posted 2 days ago, and here they have posted 2 days ago. Okay, so here you can see that this is by the same company as a Dynamics 365 Business Central technical consultant. You will play a critical role in implementing and customizing Dynamics 365 Business Central solutions. You will work with clients to understand their technical requirements, design solutions, and ensure the successful deployment of the system. And these are all the key responsibilities for you. Okay, so you should know how to write AL code, You should know the basics of SQL to understand how the table works and everything. So you can learn about AL programming here. Here I have AL programming. So 21 days AL programming boot camp is there, no? So you can learn about it. Okay. So this is how it actually works. Okay. So you can find all these details here. So this is for the technical, and you should know customization and development, you should know testing and deployment, so all these things. So here they're expecting 3 to 8 years of experience for this. Okay. So and you should know the dynamics nav, that is a base for that. And by the way, like excellent problem solving, mostly they will be expecting excellent problem solving and everything. Okay. So these are the important things. So if you wanted to prepare for business central interview questions, so here I have, this is my ebook store. You can find mastering business central interview question and answers even for the beginners, and specifically in AL programming you can find it here. So where you can find the link is here in the description. Shop your copy of e-books here. Okay, so here you can find it, or else if you are unable to do that, so please comment, I can share the link with you. Okay, so this is my ebook store. You can get a lot of informations from here. And if you need any personal guidance, okay, like personal guidance on how to prepare for the interview, what type of certifications you have to prepare for your career, what type of certification is required, how to prepare for that certification, what is the clear roadmap to complete that certification. Okay, everything I can help you out with this. This is what the personal guidance. And apart from this, I can also guide you on your resume, how to well structure your resume, and how to write the keywords into your resume based on the ATS, that is the company's responsibility. Okay, I can give you interview preparation and tips. A mock interview, if you want to go with a mock interview, I can also do that. Want me to conduct a mock interview, I can conduct a mock interview for you. Career guidance, a discovery call, one is to one mentorship. So anything, like if you want to help you, if you want me to help you with any technological thing, so please do let me know. Okay, so I'm here to help you. So this is how all these things work. And yes, Samadhan offers fantastic career opportunities for professionals. I request you to please go and check the Glassdoor regarding the review. So here they have mentioned that Samadhan is having 3.9 rating. Okay, so please go and check with the Glassdoor if you are looking for the job change near Mumbai or Ranchi. So please, you can check out here. This will be an exciting career opportunity for you if you just apply and see. Okay, log in, apply, just check whether you can just try the interview whether you are ready for the interview, what types of questions you're facing in the interview, how to handle that, how to manage the interview process, and everything you can learn it only if you join, only if you enter into any interview and see whether you are in the track, on the track. Okay, so that is what very important. By the way, like if you are passionate about finance and technology, don't miss out on these roles. Okay, thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more updates on job opportunities and tech insights. So feel free to ask any question in the comments below. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing, and keep sharing. I'll meet you soon in the next exciting video. Take care. Bye bye.